That's part of that same storm system that kind of went through St. Louis and then over into the eastern hills of Kentucky. That terrain over there cannot handle heavy rainfall, and so that's what you see. That frontal boundary, I'm going to show you where that's parked right now, and you're going to see more rain on the way for parts of those waterlogged areas. But let's take a look at the current drought conditions here across East Texas. This is new, just came out today, and parts of East Texas are now in what we would consider exceptional drought. Van Zant, Henderson County, into the darkest red that we can get. Surrounding that and stretching up into Wood and Upshur County, we've got extreme drought. Right now, Smith, Gregg County in severe drought, and then moderate drought down to the south in Henderson, Carthage. In that little strip, remember, we had 7 inches of rainfall across southern Rusk and Panola County a few weekends ago on a Saturday morning. That has put them in the abnormally dry area, and that is it. Other than that, they would be back with everybody. Tomorrow morning, final round of the Texas State Open at the Cascades. They tee off at 8 a.m. It's going to be warm, 82 but clear, and then partly cloudy, I think, as everyone wraps up around noon with a temperature about 92 degrees. Right now, 100 degrees again in Tyler, 100 at Henderson, 101 at Palestine, Lufkin also at 101 degrees, Mount Pleasant at 100 degrees. All right, a lot of times what will happen is you'll get these little ripples along a stationary boundary that will move from west to east across the area. So that's what essentially happened in Kentucky. You can see this boundary stalled right here in southern parts of Kentucky. So that's the dividing line between this hot air and cooler air to the north. And you'll notice here on the satellite and the radar picture how those showers and thunderstorms just form along that boundary all the way through Tennessee. And so this is going to continue. Here, though, we're dry with just a few sea breeze showers drifting in from the south. These will persist until about sunset, and then they'll go away. But look at the rainfall. 4 or 5 inches of rainfall from Springfield, Missouri, just to the north of Memphis, right back through Nashville, and that just sags to the south. So we may have more flooding stories coming out of either Tennessee, the eastern hills of Tennessee, perhaps tomorrow because of all that heavy rain. Here over the next 7 days, we're talking about, and this is primarily through Saturday, 1/10 to 3/4 of an inch of rain from Texarkana to Mount Pleasant up to the Red River, with about 1/100 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch as far south as Henderson and Carthage. So we'll explain how that happens here using Future Skycast. We're dry tomorrow morning. We have a southerly wind, and it's warm as we heat up close to 100 degrees. A boundary comes into about Interstate 20 and stalls, so there are scattered showers and thunderstorms right here tomorrow afternoon. Cools us back to 82 at Longview at that time. That boundary retreats back to the north. Then Saturday, we heat back up. And then the boundary sags back to the south with more scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area. 40% chance Friday, 50% chance Saturday. So that's a pretty good chance of rain. And anytime it rains, it cools it down just a little bit, and it'll be welcomed cooling. Overnight tonight, warm, muggy night and dry. 79 in Tyler, 77 in Longview, 76 at Nacogdoches, and 76 at Lufkin. First Monday trade days tomorrow in Canton. Should be a decent day, but by the end of the day, we'll offer up a 30% chance of rain with a temperature around 97. Baylor Scott and White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Late day random showers and thunderstorms, 98 for the high. Then scattered thunderstorms on Saturday, 98. Warm and humid Sunday, 98. And then August is going to start hot, 100 degrees Monday, 101 on Tuesday as it stays hot, hazy, hot, and humid Wednesday as some Saharan dust makes its appearance in East Texas. So expect some colorful sunrises and sunsets and a hot, hazy sky next Wednesday and Thursday.